Hello everyone, we are setting up our chapel of repose. I have a couple of guests helping out here with us, getting the cloths up. So I'll try to post as much as I possibly can. I'm also cooking today, so it'd be kind of hard to do a full video for you. But here we go, we've got some flowers coming in. The abbot got some tulips for us over here. And my Amarilla is doing well. Sure. So, I'll be back. God bless. Alright, just in the kitchen. Let's go back in here and see how this is turning out. It's looking pretty good. We're going to get the smoker going here in a little bit. So we're getting there. Bring the flowers in here in a little bit. Yeah, it's just looking good.
It's got water. So yeah.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Yep, and that's it. It just kind of just hangs over the...
Flush with the...
Yeah.
Like that?
That's it. Yep.
Down a little.
Down a little?
Oh, yeah, that too.
Down the left, down the right.
Okay, you want this back on?
Yeah, just put that back on top of it. And it's okay. I can't remember what we used. That's the one the abbot said we used, so
okay. I'll
just use that one, and then we'll get these all fanned out, and may have to push the flower back a little bit just so that those will rest a little bit better on top. But otherwise, that's good. Oh yeah, that sets it off nicely.
Alrighty.
There we go.
Okay, then we get to clean again.
Actually, hold on, before we even do that, let me check one. So, we're almost done. I've got go fill these candles up. They have oil in them. And here is the finished product, minus the candles. They go here, here, and there. So there we go. We're just doing a little bit of cleaning, and next time I'll be in the kitchen. Yeah, the abbot just finished cleaning the church. Gave the floor a good wax. Looks beautiful. Getting ready for this evening's service. I think it starts at 5 o'clock, and then we have our meal, which is the part I'm heading to now, is to get to start cooking for this evening. So, off to the kitchen. Hello. Oh, I hear someone chopping already. Must be... Okay, fine, slicing. Alright, so I don't have a regular smoker. So what I'm doing is you put the coal over to the side, and then it should be fine. Get this, let's see, where are we? There's our lamb. I'll be back once I get things started. So when I don't have a smoker, I mean, this side is something like a smoker, but the firebox needs to be off to the side. I usually put the smoke and the fire off to the one end of the grill, leaving the middle open so that we're not cooking our meat with the flame. Of course, the flame will go down and create the smoke, and the same on this side. This side doesn't have a stack, but that's okay. This side will be for smoking, but also post-smoke. So I'm not gonna cook completely in here. We'll move them over to here to finish cooking off. I'll turn the burner off and then just allow the coals to continue cooking, but it'll be in an enclosed area. So this side will be hotter. As you can see, it's already hotter, but I also have the gas on just on that one side. And over here, it's purely going to be the charcoal and the wood. So this is the charcoal here and wood here. We're using mesquite, which tastes great with lamb. So once I get it on the grill, I'll pop back on here again. I don't think so. I think it's in the, oh, wow, they put, this door had 3 locks on it at one time.
Sunday glasses, do we want to put them on this?
See what he wants. I'm not sure what they're going to do. Yeah, we're getting there. Nice and slow. We're at, this one's a little bit hot. Oh no, it's 250 is not bad. This one's 200. Okay. All right, so the meat is done cooking. I'm now going over the music for the Mass and the readings. Put the music up. I've got the candles in. So I'll take a few photos and videos of the Mass for you. So, see you at the Mass. So, one of the other things I need to do, I'm back in my office right now, is put the bells back together. This is actually used in my weaving room. It's a rack for putting spools on, but right now we're going to use it for hanging my bells. This is a raw piece of copper pipe. I say it's raw because it hasn't been turned into a bell yet. So I'm going to clean this one up and then hang it up. These are my selection of bells right now. So we'll figure out which one I want to use and go from there. So I probably won't record me cleaning it, but I will come back on when I actually hang them. Okay, to hand find where to drill the hole, you hold the pipe somewhere near the top, and then you just start tapping until you hear the tone resonate nice and clear. I'm gonna put the camera down and you can just listen as I do it. So you can kind of hear it. It just keeps on resonating, and that's where you drill your hole. And then we'll hang it. And there we go. All right, let me finish this and I'll come right back.
We recount the first Holy Thursday, what we now call the Last Supper, when Jesus gathered his disciples to celebrate the Passover feast of the Jews. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and let us forgive us we honor your Son in his present day, so we may enjoy his banquet for all eternity, who lives and reigns forever and ever. And blessing to the Father and the Son, honor, might, and praise addressing, while eternal ages run, ever to his love confessing, who from both with both is one.
Okay, now we got to get the food out. So everything is in the ovens and ready to go. There's the meat. It should be, oh yeah, yep, nice and hot. Okay, well that's it for now.
have a happy Easter if I don't have a video up before then. I think I'm going to try to get a video up Easter Sunday. Maybe a live video. So we'll see you then. God bless everyone.
Yeah.
How are we doing?
Oh man.
Looks good.
Oh, it tastes good too.
We've got plenty of time.